students, I am Dr. Harmeet Goel. I am your Obs and Gynae faculty for the FMG coaching as well as for the NEET PG aspirants. Right now I'm making this video available for the students of the FMG for the preparation of the NEET PG for 2021, the upcoming exam. I will be releasing in my subsequent video. In this video, my concern is the present FMG batch, and many of the day the result has been announced by the NBE, many of the calls I'm getting from my students who were very preparing very well, and but unfortunately they could not convert it into success. Okay, some of the students, they are just left behind just by margin of the marks. Out of 300 marks, you're supposed to score 150. 150 is the passing, but I always tell my students, so just be away from the borderline. Just make your preparation so best that you're able to make your 220, 230 questions correct. So even if your 30, 40 or 50 questions are wrong, your score is 180 to 190. So you're almost away from the borderline. Now this video is very important, and many of the students are telling me, please make up a video for a strategy plan how to convert our failure into success. So those who are giving the exam for June 2020 FMG, how to convert their failure into success for those who are the backlog students and for the freshers who are going to write their exam for the first time. This 2021 is very crucial because you don't know when the NEXT going to be implemented, because there are many proposals for it to get implemented in 2022, but nothing has been finalized as yet. Okay, so this year 2021 is very crucial for you, and make it a point that you get the success in this upcoming exam in June. First of all, the first point is stop complaining. Like there was no offline classes available due to COVID pandemic. COVID pandemic came. COVID pandemic is for them also who have got success and they have cleared their exam. So seeing and looking at the pattern, nothing can be so simple as this FMG December 2020 exam was. There were 100 plus images, and that is what is a solid marks for you. Okay, so one thing is sure, in August 2020 and December 2020, there were 100 plus images which are being asked. Now, in just not talking about the here and there points, I will be just focusing on the strategy. How? So I am not doubting at your this thing that you have studied this coaching, you have followed this teacher notes, you have followed the PDF, whatever. I am not asking you to change your notes. I am just asking you to make a fresh strategy. So I am just giving you my view. If I were at your place, I would have made this plan. Okay, just listen to this video completely and you can go according to what you want. First of all, you should have your system. Okay, and whatever PDFs or images or the PPT subject wise is there in any of the group you have joined, any of the coaching classes you have joined, while the final time comes to revise it, that all, because there are plenty of messages piled up, so all that PDF which you have saved has gone up. So you have to really search for particular subjects to avoid that confusion. And at the end what happened? Chalo yaar isko chhod dete hain. Okay, that is a wrong strategy. So any teacher who has made the images folder or the key points or the question or the test and discussion, they have done perfect. Why I am just here? For almost 2 decades I am taking the classes, because every time I take a class I add up new and new plans, new strategies to modify the things. What are the latest points I focus in the beginning? What are the questions which are important? So that is why I am standing here today after almost completing 2 decades of my classes. So with my experience I am just telling you. So this video is going to be very useful. First of all, you should have your system. whether it is your personal computer, whether you have your iPad, whether you have your desktop, any of the system, okay, make a folder where you write images 2021 and subject wise images folder which is there in your mobile, okay. Just shift it or transfer it to your system, whether it is a small PC, whether it is a desktop, or whether it is iPad, whichever you are having, okay. Create a folder for the images. Then what are the subjects on which the images are being asked? It is dermatology, microbiology, anatomy, radiology, obs and gynae, ENT, ophthalmology, medicine, surgery, sometimes anesthesia, pediatrics. So you will find there are 12 to 14 subjects where the images are being asked, and this is just a solid marks. For example, you have created a folder in your system, okay, obs gynae PDF, which the teacher has shared, like I have made the WhatsApp group. This is just free of cost and to help the students, okay. Maximum knowledge is to give to students, and in return you will learn more and more things, and as a faculty you will grow up, okay. So knowledge is to deliver. Knowledge is never to keep to ourselves. Those teachers who will think, अरे यार मेरी तो images students ले लेंगे, so what यार, you can download plenty of images from the Google. In my classes, even if I was showing in one topic around 20 images and 10 more is coming to my mind, I switch over the mode to the Google on my iPad and I showed the students the live images in my class. So what a big deal, okay. Next time I downloaded all that images and made a fresh folder, and I have just posted that in the group. Those who were attending my obs gynae classes or my one-day revision program, okay. So what a big deal, give it to the students, okay. So you save that folder in your desktop or the laptop or the iPad. Never ever save it on your mobile, okay. Next, then you pick up the subject of ENT, ophthalmology, dermatology and all that. So save it in your system just before the exam. Just devote one day to this folder and go through all the images, okay. Like 2 days later there is an exam. So open this system and just top subject wise images, just go through. 100 plus images is a big number. They don't want, the NB don't want you to flunk. They are rather helping you out, and they are just giving you a demo how the NEXT exam is going to be. So the present batch do not have to give the NEXT exam for the licensing, okay. So better clear your FMG this time in June itself, okay. So 100 plus images is your solid marks. Now talking about the present images in this exam, okay. Dermatology, small subject, very informative, straightforward answers, okay. Like in the August exam and in the December exam, both exam there were 100 plus images, okay. In this exam in the gynae also there are 7 to 8 images, and you can score marks 8 out of 8 because all that I have shared you in the PDF form and I have posted in the group. Even I posted on the Facebook also, so that anybody, it is a free access for anybody, any student who is giving the exam, okay, so that it is going to be beneficial for you, okay. So in the dermatology they have asked the pellagra, that is the necklace pattern, that is the B complex deficiency. So that is what they have asked, clear-cut spot diagnosis. Then they have asked in the August exam the tinea infection, tinea alopecia areata, okay, that is the exclamation sign. Then there was a tinea image being asked. Then there was an image of some STD which was asked. Then filariasis, that is elephantiasis, that is the leg, swollen leg. So this is very clear cut image. Similarly they can ask you about the other dermatology image, like the psoriasis, like the Raynaud's phenomena they have asked in the August exam. These are just the straight marks. Okay, coming to the Obs Gynae images, copper T380A is a fixed question, and they ask this IUCD or this image, what is the absolute contraindication? So it is acute PID. Either they ask in question or they are asking in the image form. The next they have asked the hysteroscopic sterilization Assure. Okay, I have already released this video of the images and the Obs Gynae questions which came. You can just go through. Next, they have asked PCOD image, the Turner syndrome image. Last time they have asked the karyotype of the Down syndrome. So 7-8 questions they have asked. Then in the HSG, hysterosalpingography, they have asked the bilateral hydrosalpinx, that is the block tube, which is a presentation of PID. So these are the images of the Obs and Gynae. Then they have asked in the ophthalmology in 2020 exam and 2019 exam, they have asked dendritic ulcer. They have asked CRVO. This time they have asked the Calazion, the instrument. Okay, in the instrument in Gynae they have asked the Babcock's. In the surgery they have asked the claw sign, that is the interception. Okay, then they have asked double bubble sign, that is the X-ray of the abdomen, double bubble sign, duodenal atresia. Then the radiology is very, very important. They are asking X-ray chest images in medicine, whether you consider it in medicine or you consider it in the radiology. Okay, in that they are asking the chest X-ray showing the pleural effusion, tension pneumothorax, okay, bronchiectasis, bilateral hilar lymphadenopathy, and they are giving a clinical history. So is it sarcoidosis or it is tuberculosis? You have to, correlate with the history and the image. Then they have asked in the CT scan, whether you consider it to be in anatomy or radiology or in medicine, that is the extradural hematoma or subdural hematoma. Then on the foot bones, that is the talus, they have asked. Sometimes navicular bone they are asking. Then in the medial epicondyle, which nerve injury, that is the median nerve injury. Then they are asking winging of the scapula image. So all this to correlate clinically, because you have to work in the field as a clinician. Okay, then in the medicine sometimes they ask in the ECG, tall T waves, etc. So the subject wise images folder you just post, and any of the content you're reading from your notes, you can just click up the Google and download the images and post it. Okay, then in the pathology they have asked, every time they're asking on the anemias or hematology, they have asked the sickle cell anemia image, they have asked AML, they have asked CML, they have asked the Reed-Sternberg cell, they have asked retinoblastoma. So this is very, very catchy for you to score marks. Okay, then in the microbiology they have asked H. nana, parasitology, then they have asked the filariasis, Wucherichia bancrofti, that is in 2019. Then this time they have asked the giardiasis, they have asked Plasmodium falciparum, where there are multiple rings. Then they have asked triage. Then they have asked the color of the cannula, gray color cannula. Okay, that is which gauge cannula it is. Like green is 18 gauge. Okay, gray is I think 14 gauge. So this you should be knowing. So that is solid marks for the images. Okay, if I keep on discussing the questions which has been asked, the video will be too long. I want to tell you the strategy, how to make a fresh strategy for for your key points, for your tables, and for your theory notes. Now you have to make up your fresh notes. What you do hard work in the January doing all this is going to pay you for the next upcoming exams. So for example, pick up the loose sheets of A4 size or the ruled sheets. Select with the small subjects like dermatology, like forensic, like biochemistry, like Obs and Gynae, like PSM. They don't require any backup of pre and para clinicals. So these subject has to be revised in total. Okay. Now how other subjects has to be studied. For example, you have decided to go through from the dermatology. So pick up the loose sheets. Okay. And you should have a folder. So write down the skin or dermatology notes for 2021 and write about the tinea infection. what are the types of tinea? Tinea capitis, tinea cruris and all that, and the causative agents. What is the important points you want to remember? So that is whatever notes you have followed, you have to just write down. This is your final notes for your revision just before the exam. Just going through this, your score will be 200 plus. Just mind it. Okay. Then drug of choice and all the important information which you tend to revise, just write down. Then next, pick up psoriasis. What are the different types of psoriasis? That is the nail sign, that the silvery scales and all that. Then streptococcal, they're always asking the honey colored crusts and all that. So all these that you write down in your notes, simultaneously save your images in the dermatology folder. Then the STDs, then H. ducreyi, the causative agent, for chancroid, soft chancre, hard chancre, their differences. Okay, their drug of choice for the STDs, like drug of choice for the syphilis, drug of choice for gonococcal infection, drug of choice for the chlamydia infection, then drug of choice for the chancroid. LGV is caused by chlamydia. What is the drug of choice for chlamydia? That is azithromycin. All these points. So your dermatology notes is being complete. Then you're going through the key points, or you're solving the questions. Whatever important questions are there, just write down. Maybe there are 50 questions you want to revise, or maybe there are 50 points or the 100 points you want to revise. So your dermatology is fine. Anytime you come across more new questions, and so keep on adding up the pages. That is your final revision. This notes will not only help you for cracking this FMG exam, but it will be helpful when you're writing a medical officer exam, UPSC exam. All of you should fill up. You can go through my video. It is a detailed video, and there are many followers for this UPSC video. I have given a detail, and many of the students, you don't require an MCI registration to write the exam. So UPSC is a medical officer exam. You can just go through the video. In this video, I cannot discuss everything. So I'm just discussing about a strategy to crack this UPSC exam 2000. So the next part is like forensic medicine. So the images like the hanging, the strangulation, the burking, the toxicology, the datura, all this is the images that you have to save it. Then the gunshot injury, the types of the wound, which is the grievous injury, all that. Then you pick up the notes of the teachers, whichever teacher notes you have followed, just go through and just make your fresh notes for 2021 forensic medicine. Okay, in the forensic medicine, like the IPC. Okay, so you write down all the IPC, important one. Then the type of inquest, the magistrate inquest, the coroner's inquest, the police inquest, all that. Then you write down the throttling, hanging and all that. Then criteria for rape. Then how do you come to know about, it is a type of the grievous hurt or the simple injury and all that, that you just write down in the points. Okay, then the toxicology, what is the antidote, what is the type of poisoning, organophosphorus poisoning, what are its symptoms and what is the antidote. Then datura poisoning, what is the antidote, physostigmine. Then there are, what is the clinical features of the datura poisoning, organophosphorus, datura poisoning. They are asking what is the substance abuse, cocaine, then the marijuana and all that, how does they look like, images in the image folder and the content in these notes. So your forensic notes and important questions, important single liners, you have to make a punch and keep that second subject. Then obs gyne you have to revise in total. Go by the obstetrics, gynecology, like disorders of menstruation, write down your notes which you tend to revise. Okay, then the contraception, then infertility, ectopic pregnancy, gynae cancers, all this is important. Obstetrics, the PPH, the APH, the twins pregnancy, physiological changes during pregnancy, important. That is up to you. You want to write down the complete notes, so it will be revision and you're memorizing and making your subject perfect. Then you can add up the key points, and many times I've shared around 150 key points in my single one-day revision class that you can ask any student who is attending my class. Many of my followers are there, so you can ask them, or you can follow my book which is for FMG. That is up to you. Okay, or any other teachers. I'm not asking you to change your notes. If you have studied from any other teacher of obs gynae, you don't have to switch over to my notes. You can make your own notes, and for perfection you can watch up my videos, or you can take down the notes, and whatever is important you can add up. Okay, that's how for obs gynae. Now very important, medicine. Many students, the medicine is weak, but medicine is always carrying a 40 marks. Obs gynae always 40 marks, 30 to 40 marks. So medicine, surgery, obs gynae, pediatrics, PSM, ENT, ophtha, this is almost covering 170 or 180 marks. Okay, so how to go about these subjects? Pick up a respiratory system, read up from the medicine, whichever notes you have followed or whichever teacher's notes you have followed. Okay, then pick up your, like pharmacology, pick up your pediatrics, pick up your pathology. So read respiratory system from all of them and just write down your notes on respiratory system, any key points, any questions, images of the important x-rays. There will be just 10 or 12 x-rays that you can download from the Google and save it in your system. Okay, then pick up the CVS, read it from medicine. What are the types of pulses, what are the types of murmurs, what is the important signs for aortic regurgitation, what is the cyanotic heart disease, what is acyanotic. This time the image of the clubbing was shown. Last time it was the icterus which was shown. So this is very spot diagnosis and very catchy. Okay, bronchiectasis x-ray, there is Tram-Tech appearance, pulmonary effusion, it is just like this kind of picture. Tension pneumothorax, it is this kind of picture, x-ray. Okay, there was a prosthetic heart valve which was asked in the August exam. So this you should be knowing. Okay, so CVS, what are the murmurs, what is angina, or MI, which is the most specific enzyme that is being raised, what is the treatment for acute MI, and what are the important ECG changes like the tall T waves, ST segment elevation, hypokalemia, there is U waves. All this you should be knowing. Okay, that is, you save that important images in that. It will not take much time. This preparation will definitely help you to clear this FMG exam, and it is a platform. These notes you can use it in UPSC and later on while you're writing the PG. So you will keep on adding up. So CVS you have read from the medicine, important points you have written. Then for ECG changes you have to just write down that ST segment elevation and all that. Simultaneously click the image and save it in your system. Then next is pick up this, you have read it from medicine, then read it from the pediatrics, acyanotic, cyanotic heart disease, Fallot's tetralogy, trialogy, pentalogy, and just write down. Okay, Marfan syndrome and all that, just write down. Then you read it from the pathology and the pharmacology like the digitalization, digitalis, what is a drug for the digitalis toxicity, what is the most common symptom, or extra cardiac symptom, extra cardiac nausea, vomiting, cardiac is this. Okay, digiband is the one which has been given in digitalis toxicity. All this you should be knowing. So you just focus on one system, medicine, pediatrics, pathology, okay, pharmacology, and if you're interested just go through in the physiology also, so that you are doing one system and you're correlating and you're revising from 5 different subjects. So your 5 subjects are getting prepared. This is what is a strategy, and 100% your score in this way is 200 plus. Okay, the subjects like ENT, ophthalmology, obs and gynae, PSM, dermatology, forensic, biochemistry, this you have to do in total, and these 4-5 subjects together system wise. Then you pick up kidney definitely they're asking questions. Read it, important concept from the medicine, then the pediatrics, then the pathology, and then the pharmacology. In the physiology they have asked PCT, what is absorbed in PCT, and all that image based questions were asked. So relevantly you can just read it. One system you will be able to finish in 1 day or 2 days. Okay, so you can just do this, and simultaneously you can solve the questions of the dermatology or forensic or biochemistry. So that is, you are devoting. Take up 2 hours continuous study, break 2 hours. Don't go for 8 hours or 10 hours. It will not work. Pick up small slots, but it should be very useful. Okay, keeping a gap in between and finalizing. So system notes of 1 month system you have prepared. So 5 subjects are getting revised. Images you have saved in your desktop or in your iPad. Okay, that is your final. So this hard work will definitely pay. One more thing, students are saying we are doing a job, and of course the financial security is very important. Once you have become the doctor, You are just one step back, that is you have to finish up your this clear out your FMG exam and you get back to work. Okay, so that is up to you. I cannot say, because students who are doing the job getting some salary, they have also been able to clear. The students who are not doing the job, but I would say registration is must while you're joining any job in any of the hospital. So fight for your registration. Only the hard work is the key. Okay, so stay connected. Stay connected to me for any type of valuable advice. You can follow me on my YouTube channel, on the Facebook book, or on the Instagram, or on the Telegram. So again, where you can follow me on the YouTube channel. Okay, and I make it a point, whenever the students are asking any queries, I make it a point, whenever I see that or whenever I am free, I always reply. Okay, so this is what is the strategy. In cut short, images at one place, you can save it. If you don't have a system, no problem. You can just save it in your mobile at one place, and just make it a point that don't delete this folder which you have saved in your mobile. Number 2, practice more and more questions. Make it a point to practice at least 200 to 250 questions, because in the speed, your speed also matters. Some of the students I came to know, because of the speed was lacking, so they have just missed out their many of the questions were left behind, 20 questions, 30 questions, and which became a milestone. Okay, that was the one which there was lag behind. So practice 200 to 250 questions daily. It will work. It will increase your speed. And if you are solving any question and you get stuck up, अरे इसका आंसर कहाँ लिखा था, and you're looking back, just go to the next question. Don't waste time on one question by thinking and thinking. Maybe in this way you can solve 4 or 5 questions, and whilst you are thorough, and don't change up your answer too much. Okay, giving a second thought and changing the answers. Like this, there was a question, Zika virus spread, it is through the Aedes, and some of the students have marked it wrong. Okay, they have changed their answers and their score is 149. So don't make up such a mistake. Keep following me. You can just follow me for any queries on the YouTube channel. Okay, more and more informative videos I will be bringing. You can follow me on the Facebook, you can follow me on the Instagram, you can follow me on the Telegram group. So stay connected. All the best and bye-bye.